Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. How's everyone doing? Yeah? Are you doing good? So, I'm still in the kitchen. Still haven't moved my stuff because I have a consultation Saturday. So, anyways, did my timer just go off in my oven? Hold on. Hold everything. Let me turn my timer off. Cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking steaks outside, and Chris is cooking steaks. Hi, Terry. Chris is cooking steaks, and I'm cooking asparagus with bacon, and they were in the oven. So as you guys can see, I didn't do nothing with my hair today. Nothing. So, holy eggs and vinegar, right? So first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Jody, and I get on Facebook Live, and I do like little whatever, and I do things. I put makeup on, and I try new things. So tonight, I'm going to surprise everybody. I'm going to do something crazy tonight. Real quick, though. Not very long. So I am going to put life back into my damaged hair. Even though my hair is not that damaged, but, you know, it's a little damaged. With a terrific home remedy. Yes, I'm going to combine one tablespoon, one teaspoon, I'm sorry, hi Raylene, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 egg whites, and I'm going to mix into my hair, and I'm going to cover for about a half hour using some kind of plastic. Hi, Drea. And then I'm going to shampoo out of my hair. So, yeah. So, I've got this all mixed up in this little cup here. I don't know if you guys can see it down inside the cup. But I'm just going to mix it all up. Maybe I should wait to mix it all up. Because, and you know what? I realized, guys, that I don't have, and I guess you're supposed to put on damp hair, did I just say? So I got this spray bottle. I'm just going to spray my hair real quick to get it kind of damp. So I just decided to do this on the spare moment as we're cooking dinner. I thought, heck, and we haven't done a live today. And I thought, why not do something different? Right? Because I told you guys I was going to do different things. So when you guys hop on, please say hello, so that way I know you're here. That way I can thank you. And if you're the replay watchers, please put replay in the comments. And you guys, if you would please do me a favor, would you please follow me so that way you know that I'm on. And please share this video with your friends and your family so they can see what a crazy nut that I am. So, okay. Holy Toledos. Okay, it's all wet. Now, I don't know how I'm supposed to get this stuff on here. Does anybody have any suggestions? I guess I can have Chris, since he just walked through the door. I guess I can have him just pour it on my hair. So I don't know how to get it in my hair. I don't have a brush or anything.
Yeah, we do.
I want you to pour this nice mixture of stuff I created. Hi, Trudy.
You ready?
Okay, easy, like lightly pour it on. Like shampoo, maybe. Sort of.
There.
Okay, keep pouring.
Okay. Bump the cup. Oh, shit.
Don't say shit.
Sorry.
Okay, right here in the front. Ooh, all down my back. I got egg whites down my back. So I guess it's proper since we're towards the front, babe. Towards the front.
I am, but it's draining out the back of the cup. Here. Stop wiggling around. Okay. Sonny will look it up.
So I guess it's pretty appropriate since we're having dinner, right? Okay, pour some right here so I can shampoo it in. We'll put the end of the cup up on my hair.
There it is. There.
You're still not in the front. Okay, we're going to try this again. He's pouring it down my back.
Yeah.
Okay. Pour it on.
Ooh, shit.
That just went down my bra.
That's a lot of egg white right there.
I guess I didn't mix it up very well.
Nope.
Okay, we're going to try this some more.
Lord. This is the definition of an egghead? Ooh.
Okay, let me see. Hi, Brandy. Who else is on here? Hi, Jerry. Hi, Karen. Hi, Brenda.
Put your head down.
Okay.
Right, don't move your hand.
Don't move my hand.
See right there. Ugh. Go ahead.
Okay.
You're gonna wash this stuff out before you go to bed, right?
Well, yes, I'm gonna wash it out. Pour some right here. It feels a little dry right here.
It's not. It's just dry. Oh, get it.
Okay. Okay, we're almost done. Do we have any more left?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff,
How many
guys.
eggs you do?
I did the recipe.
Go for it. Ooh.
3. I think I'm wearing half of them though.
A little bit more.
Okay, put the little bit in the, right here in the front.
Don't move. Good.
Okay. Is that all?
No.
Well, pour it on.
Okay, here goes.
Towards the front. Towards the front.
Okay, okay.
Keep going towards the front.
Okay. There, that's it.
Okay. We got this stuff everywhere. Okay. So, I don't know, is this how this can work? So, somebody, I'm going to have to go back and read my comments. But you guys know what I'm going to do next? So, it says to put plastic on your hair or a shower cap. Well, guess what? I don't have any of those.
Hey, dude.
No, I don't. Where's the shower cap? I have a trash bag.
Get a Walmart bag.
I have a trash bag. So I have a little baby trash bag. Ooh, it's dripping down my back.
Dude.
Would you go get me a towel?
I am.
So I'm going to put a trash bag on my hair, guys.
Bag lady.
I'm going to be a bag lady. As my husband wipes
Lean forward a little bit.
the egg whites up off of me. Okay, I don't know if I can put this in a knot.
I'm
Put
gonna
this
get a
in a
clothesline
knot?
clip.
A close clip?
Clothesline clip.
Oh, I think I got it in a knot. Hi, Ruby.
Check the sleeve.
So say hello to everybody else that I did not say hello to. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get this in a dang knot, but I can't get it in a knot. So I'm just going to tuck it under here. Okay. I probably got, he didn't bring me a towel. So let me see. I can feel it dripping on me, guys. This is gross. So, Brenda, I'm putting a mask thing on my hair. What's it supposed to do? So, it's supposed to condition my hair. What the heck? I know, right? Craziness. The vinegar fumes will burn your eyes a little. Hi, Darla. Hi, Cassandra. So, I'm not joking, guys. I can feel it, like, going all the way down my back. Oh, look, it's running down right here. It's in my cleavage. So I've got egg whites everywhere. So you're supposed to put life back into your limp or damaged hair with this terrific home remedy. Combine 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm sorry, and 3 egg whites. Then you rub the mixture into your hair. Keep it on your hair covered for about a half hour using plastic wrap or a shower cap. Babe, would you just give me a towel, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Then shampoo and rinse out. A big towel from maybe the kitchen or the bathroom, not the kitchen towel, big towel.
A big cup.
Yes, thank you. So, because it's like dripping all over me. I didn't think this all the way through when I did it. So, didn't realize I'd have egg whites all over me. Holy egg whites. Egg whites. Look, it's all over my hands. Gross. So, yeah, I just said I would do on a live. Look at this. It's cute. Lovely. As my husband is taking his time to give me a towel. So, no hurry. That's okay. Just got egg whites dripping down my neck, dripping down the front of me, dripping down the back of me. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Hi, Jennifer. So, yeah, has anybody ever done this before? Have you guys ever tried this before? So, like I said, it was just a spare of the moment kind of thing that I decided to do. Your hair will be super soft after you're done. John, and you do it twice a month? Are you kidding me, Trudy? Twice a month? Well, how in the heck do y'all put it on your hair? Do you pour it on? How do you do it?
Baked it.
I mean, how do you put it on your hair? I don't know how in the heck to get it on. Besides, just like I did, and it's all like all over my back. Will it make my back soft and my cleavage and my chest soft? Hi, Susie, you just missed out. I put some stuff in my hair that's being crazy. Apple cider vinegar, egg whites, and olive oil in my hair. So I don't know how. I know there's a delay, Trudy. But, so, anyhow, that's my live tonight. I don't know, maybe there's a better technique you guys know of to put it on, because I sure didn't do it. I didn't know how to do it. Like I said, I knew I needed to get on and do a live. I knew that we were going to cook dinner, and I was thinking, what am I going to do? And I thought, well, I'll try this little home remedy thing, and so I did. So that's all I wanted to show you guys tonight, how crazy it was, and I'll tell you tomorrow how conditioned it feels after, I'll tell you tomorrow on my live how conditioned it feels. I'm probably not going to do a live, just saturate it and leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. Maybe I'll try leaving it on for an hour. I don't know. So, I just thought there'd be a better technique besides just pouring it on my head. Maybe next time I'll get a towel, huh? Maybe I'll think that all the way through next time. But, anyways, guys, we might do a live. We might go somewhere tomorrow or do something. Do a live from somewhere else, from a different location or something tomorrow. So, Chris and I both have doctor's appointments in the morning, and then I'll do a live like maybe mid-afternoon or something. Maybe tomorrow evening. But anyways, just wanted to get on here, do something different besides makeup. So, you guys share this video with your friends and family, and remember what I always say, hashtag share the love, because this world's an ugly, ugly place. So let's make a conscious effort to be nice to each other. And I will talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.